Hi guys, bienvenidos a mi canal. Today I'm going to be unboxing two items that I purchased from Louis Vuitton. These are my very first Louis Vuitton items, and to be honest with you, probably the last one until I have enough money for a down payment to purchase a home, because your girl still lives with her parents. So don't be thinking I'm balling, because I'm not. I had to save up a long time for these two items, okay? So let's cut to the chase. We are going to start opening the first item, and here's a little ASMR moment. And whoopam, you are greeted with their blue letters. And can I be honest with y'all? I don't like the color combo on their packaging, maybe because it reminds me of my high school years, which were the worst dreadful years of my life. But anyways, with your purchase you get this envelope that has a thank you letter, receipt, and a return label. In the box, there's a blue ribbon and a small paper envelope to write a note. If you're gifting this to someone, you can wrap it up and gift it to them like that. But since this is for myself, we're just gonna skip that part. This item came in a dust bag that looks like this. Now this item is their card holder in the color Armagnac in the monogram canvas. I got it for $215, and currently on their website it increased to $220, and just know that it will continue to increase as time goes by. It has 3 slots and it's lined with cross-grain leather. This one is made in Spain. On their website it mentions that it could be made in France, Spain, Italy, or USA. Pero esta es española. The length is about 4.3 inches, the height is about 2.8 inches, the width of the coated edge is about 1/8 of an inch. I use this on the daily, and I typically have my driver's license, ID, credit and debit card, and student ID. So I have 5 cards in total in there, and I feel that they are very secure in there because of how slim it is. If you leave your cards in there for multiple months like I do, because I use this on a daily, you will notice that when you remove the cards, the canvas will stretch and take shape of the card's edge, but that's what one should expect. I think this card holder is such a great daily accessory because the warm tone of the canvas complements many colors like nude, pink, orange, and it's even great for the days that you don't want to carry a bag and just wear it inside a pocket of a coat. On to the second item. This item came on the same day as the card holder, and unfortunately it came to me damaged. There was a huge dent in the front lap and a stitch imperfection on the edge. I called customer service and they were extremely nice and exchanged it for a new one without a problem. It took a couple weeks, but I was so surprised of how helpful they were. So after waiting a couple weeks, I received it in a smaller box, and like the card holder, there's an envelope with a thank you card, exchange return policies, receipts, and a return label. When I opened the box, the first thing I saw is their blue ribbon and their small paper envelope, and like every item from them, it comes in this nice dust bag. This bag is called Felici Pochette, which I bought it at a whopping price of $1,130, which is a big oof. And now it's $1,170 on their website. Also, it's currently sold out. It will most likely be restocked, but it will take some time, which is a typical thing that happens with their classic products. The length is 8.3 inches, the height is 4.7 inches, and the width is 1.2 inches. It comes with a detachable chain strap, and inside there's a removable flat pocket with 8 card slots in fuchsia pink leather, which is the same color of the lining of the bag. And there's also a removable zipped pocket in their monogram canvas, which is perfect to use it for see-through bags and other bags that don't have pockets. You might think I'm weird, but one big reason why I got this bag is because it comes with this removable zipper pocket that I can use for other handbags I have. I just thought it was a little more bang to my buck, I guess. This particular bag is made in Italy, and here's a couple ideas on how to wear this bag. You can wrap the chain strap twice around the inside of the flap to get a short strap. Because the chain drop is about 20 inches, you can wear it around your shoulder or you can wear it across your body as a crossbody. My height is 5 feet and 7 inches, so hopefully that gives you an idea of how it will look on you. Now, I gained 30 pounds and this black dress does not fit me, but I want to show you that you can wear this bag to a semi-formal or cocktail event by removing the chain strap and pushing the D-rings inwards to turn it into a practical clutch. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I am currently working on a painting and hopefully I will have that video out in the upcoming weeks. Thank you so much for your support and love. Comment down below what kind of video you would like me to make and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!